Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to review the new Kristen Leanne times Urban Decay collaboration. They did reach out to me and send it to me, so it has been gifted to me, so I wanted to make that totally clear, but my reviews are 100% honest. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I want to keep it totally real and let you guys know what I think. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you know I did a few looks with it. I did one like more natural look, and then I did one more playful type of look. So first of all, I'm just going to show you the first palette, and opening it up, there is lots of different colors. We have a nice teal, we have a nice dark blue. They do have pops of shimmer to it. Then we have these two colors that can be used as a highlight, or they can be used almost as like a lid shade. Whatever you want to do, you can play around with it. This color is really pretty. This color has like a nice pops of teal and maybe sea green to it. And this color was my absolute favorite. It's more white, but then it has like little hints of green and mint greens in it as well. Then we have this really rich gold, which is just amazing. This is really just on my finger. There is no Fix Plus, no setting spray, nothing. This is just on my dry finger. And we have this beautiful color called Spitfire. It is like a purple, but then it has pops of a bluish in it. Really cool. I love the monochromes that this palette has. Then we have Corona. Corona is more like a bronzy gold. Then we have Dye, which is like a deep dark purple. Oh no. Fuck me. So looking at this palette, there's tons of like really awesome looks you can do with this. Super pigmented. I love the color Tagine. I don't know how to say that. I don't know. I'm not sure how that goes. But it's like a nice vibrant orange. I love oranges as transition shades. I love oranges all together. I think they look awesome for brown eyes. I think that this is a great palette. The only way I would not recommend this palette is if you don't like to step outside the box. You don't like to really do colorful, shiny type of looks. There is only two mattes in it. Everything else is like really glittery. I personally love glitters. I love playing around, so I think this is a really cool palette. Again, she did come out with another little palette, which I think is really awesome that she came out with one really playful type of palette and then another one that is more on the natural side, earthy tones. So this one is called the same thing. Oh, hello. This one comes with a little brush, a fluffy side, and then we have like a packing brush. I love when palettes come with brushes. I just feel like palettes are expensive. Give me a brush, like, please. So I think that's really cool. I love them. I'm weird. But I love the packaging. The packaging is really nice. I love that there's a mirror in both of them. I hate when palettes don't have mirrors. It makes me crazy because like, give me a mirror. I need a mirror. I want to see up close. So anyway, there is 5 matte colors in here, and it starts from like a light white, which could be like a bony like highlight type of color for underneath your eyebrow, and then it moves on to light brown, and then this is like a corally orangey peachy type of shade, which I really love. You guys know how much I love that color. And then we have Subscribe, which is more of a tan sand type of color, and then 8, which is just a nice neutral brown tone. I absolutely love this. I love that I pick it up, I wear it. This is like really good for day to day. Again, this is really good if you don't like to really get too crazy with your makeup looks, if you like to wear something that's just really simple. Again, even if you are somebody who doesn't really wear like a lot of foundation and cover up and go, you know, to the full extent of makeup, you don't get all over the top glam every day, which I mean, who does? I do not walk around like with red lipstick popping, you know, like that's not my real life. So I absolutely love this. Actually, I've had this for about, I want to say 4 or 5 days, and I've actually had this one sitting on my desk. I know that it's really easy, workable colors, something that matches my skin tone, just kind of bring my eyes back to life. They're really great base shades for if you want to do something crazy, and they're really just great day-to-day shades, which I absolutely love. You can never go wrong with your natural brownish warm type of collection. But I absolutely love the Jaclyn Hill palette because there's so many everyday shades in there. There's so many different shades of brown, but it's such a big palette. I love that this is so condensed into one for just like everyday wear, so I don't have to lug this like big huge palette out. So I love this. This can sit right on my desk because it's nice and little that come with it. This one is called Spellbound. I put this on my Instagram. This is like a nice deep purple. I really, really like it. My husband hates when I wear dark colors, but I love it. I'm into it. Then this color I really liked, and this one is called Bun Bun. It's like just a nice natural nude, pretty typical. Maybe a little hint of purple in there. And then there is one more shade, and it's like a berry color, and for some reason I don't know where I put it, and I feel like I do know where I put it, but my daughter, my little baby, she's like one, she likes to go in all my drawers, and she's in the phase where she likes to take stuff out, put stuff in, take stuff out, put stuff in. So I feel like she took it out of my lipstick drawer and put it in a different drawer. So that's like a berry shade. It's very magenta-y. I wish I could show it to you guys, but I'll put a picture up right in here from like a screenshot from online. I'm not a fan of it. I don't really like berry shades. They don't look on me. I can't pull them off. It is a very beautiful color. I don't like it. Then there is one more. She came out with a little highlight kit, which I love highlights. If you don't love highlights, you like the matte look, you can totally skip this. It is very pretty though. It has like a light tan color. Then it has like a more of an opal-y color. And then this one has a little bit, I feel like it's a mixture of both. Here is the three. They're not like crazy pigmented, so they're super wearable. I personally love the lightest one, like the opal one. These two have a little bit of like, I want to say coppery type of tones in there, which I'm not a huge fan of. I like my bronze to be pretty matte. But yeah, so that is her collection. It's absolutely beautiful. I think it's really nice. The colors, so I have the Alice in Wonderland kit, and I have all the naked kits or naked palettes. I don't know if the formula changed in this because I feel like it's super blendable, and I feel like it's way more pigmented than the nakeds. The nakeds, I feel like I really have to dip my brush in so many times. I love the colors in the naked. I just feel like they're hard to work with. For me personally, I don't know if the formula is the same or if it's changed. I just feel like you don't have to pack as much onto your brush from these palettes, and I feel like a little bit of color in these palettes goes a long way with these. So I don't know, I just like the consistency of the palettes. I like the formula. I like the colors. I love the versatility. I just don't like I said, the berry lipstick, and I'm not a huge fan of the bronzy highlighter color. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think if you tried anything from her collection. Let me know if you guys love these type of reviews. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.